We have, hey, so this is a dryer, Rupert dryer we picked the other day with the washer. So no heat at all. Misty. Alrighty. So let's find out what's wrong with it. So it could be a heat element, could be a fuse, and on the bad thing. So maybe a timer. These are most common issue with a timer. So if that was the case, there's two options. So you need to replace it or you need to fix it. So I can fix it by myself, but so I never upload a video. Maybe one day I will do it, but those you need some special tools to do that. If you not, just replace it. So in this case, we'll not talk about it. Let's see what's wrong. It could be a fuse or heat element. We will check. Alright. So already take the panel. I remove it. So now we able to check heat element, fuse, one by one. So we start with thermal fuse. So this is good. These are good for sure. Next one we go with the heat element. Heat element is good. Thermal fuse, everything's good. So in this case, the way I explained, so we have a for sure timer issue. So the timer is faulty, and to do that, so we need to remove this one, the knob. If you have a flat screwdriver, that's gonna be much easier to grab it, or putty knife. So once we do that, we need to remove these. Panel off. You can put it on the side. So so this is the timer. You can see these two clips. So you can do it with plier and one of these, and there's another underneath. This is gonna be hard one. Instead, just get a putty knife, to fix it that easy. So if you have a strong putty knife, that's gonna help you a lot. There you go. When you hear some click, you can do it this way. Alrighty. So once we do that, you can pull it forward, and that's how you can remove the timer. Pinch this two down, same this way. And so in this case, you don't need to take any picture of these, because these are going to be the same spot, or the wiring going to go same, but you know, just in case if you do for the first time, just take a picture of it, so to make sure when you don't struggle how to put it back. And the last thing, I do that sometime. It's loose, but okay. I break it anyway. So I'm gonna replace this one. And the way I explained, there's another way you can fix this one. Since I have it, so I'm just gonna replace it. So to fix that, it take me, you know, an hour to fix this one. Since I have it, so I'm just gonna go and replace it. Stay with me. Alrighty, so before I put the other one, so show you a quick videos, a quick thing, so you can see right there. Let me take this one off. If you can see, I don't know how close, so that part, those two is kind of melted. So that's why when the timer twisted, so it's not attached together, make a gap between those two. So that was the most common. Sometimes gonna be this capacitor motor also, but in 99 case those are the issue. They get melted, shortage, whatever you call. And to fix that one, it's fixed. You know, if it's not too bad, just get a sandpaper. So go between two and make clean. Then the other one. So once you do that, you need to take this one off. These 1, 2, 3. So before do that, so just take a picture of that, how you put it back. Once you sand it out, then you can put everything back the way it is, and you should be good. There's another way also, so I may make another video, you know, maybe soon, but now that was a quick video, so try to explain. Sometimes also the way I explain sand work, just sand it between those two. Those are the most important. Don't worry about others, okay? So those are the most common. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4 one. Those are the most important one. So those need to be sanded out. Then put everything back, and you should be fine. So let's put this one back. Okay. Let's go this way. Okay. The ground. This is okay. Once we do that, we can just slide it back, and I'm not gonna put this one back. I need to clean it out. Same thing, I need to clean this one out. So I'm just gonna go test them out and see how it works. Thank you, and stay with me. Plug it in, and we're ready for taste. And we can wait a few seconds, then we will check the heat element. So now it's heat up, and again, if the dryer is not heat, so when you check all those those fuse heat elements, when those are good, then so it's a timer, so replace the timer. Thank you so much for watching, and this video helped out. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in next video.